Yes, sign Emma Wakwaba, the Badwam TV, bedroom, so and when you go to our show, and then a for feeder, and then a first May, a workers' day, into no say, and then a happy holiday at the my workers behind. We are suffering in a happy workers' day, into no most no, I don't turn the holiday. And my cameraman, no one turn the holiday, my director, someone turn the holiday, but I know, maybe me could the holiday, into no, and Sabakwa Messa come for at the amount a Monta Guinness. Holiday in Jimota Guinness Bo Fabu Bona Bibia and Costo Samsung Falcon Trading Enterprise Phones Papa Fee or more so in some Mohammed the Bebro and pay Medina Tinyame Papa not Padibu 20 Passomen Sam Brennan and Dini Evan Chobi Manson and some cost when the Europa Champions League second match at Oja first leg Barcelona Oman International Milan and Nana good in your Fedia grow we shana we at na Intershare Tunia no bien Sanka Dandon Basa coming back about 2-2 na Intershare second half na 3-2 no be asa within the next few minutes na Barcelona shot na 3-3 na yenhwe sana highlight no koye no ene kopie mo ho no menti Mohamed Shaban enche obadwane na bibibia akoso e online na enra match ne modin ye papa enti bia try do no mu try na mu try under 3.5 is we no over 5.5 and boy enti no sika de boys are free but no pe omanya mota Guinness egu omobo na bibibia akoso na ene oda ne weni ediche Manchester ne so ebeba so Europa League semi-finals Athletic Club Bilbao Manchester United and Edinburgh Pimps na Tottenham Hotspur and Boklem and so Edinburgh Pimps ni ahwe de bekoso na Conference League ne so no semi-finals say and Copium na Judogan and Chelsea Edinburgh Pimps and Real Betis and Fiorentina Edinburgh Pimps so no Manchester ne dey ebeto dwa ntino ukọ abrochira eno na ekoso yen dan infantry man Ghana na nhwe nsema ekoso na wonim said the GFA president enra obepiem o multimedia fie how dan we need chance empa 94.7 ultimate sports show no so am the semi-break etu dan say na omo the referees nika if need the referees nika referees won ka na otwe we the GPO matches ma the 30 sa ba so no enye de anka omo ko gina mesi akan na so makoto ariam so no mpache say bibia be fine na GFA president Kurt Okreku ono anso second vice at the markup at the atuja say afi bia no sika omo sell referees won $7.5 million e some the referees card here na so ye den a ometu aka no
don't forget say Oba Premier League now GFA NHL match officials club no NGA Oba Division 1 na GFA NHL Saka no GFA ka Oba Women's Premier League GFA NHL Uko regional level now GFA contribute to 300,000 Ghana cedis towards the payment of officiating. Now overall no in a year GFA is spending 7.5 million Ghana cedis on match officials alone.
Wow.
7.5 million Ghana cedis on match officials. GFA no absorbs our cost no of our clubs. I don't know when I said you see that Ghana football. But every year GFA absorbs 7.5 million Ghana cedis. Usually and they say clubs and a spending on match officials. But GFA under my leadership, under the leadership of the ESCO, absorb sa costly of our clubs. Whenever we have challenges with the payments from other partners, kakra. And this is the kind of situation I find ourselves. But the BCBA no clear.
Okay.
That's the guarantee.
Yes, I know in some market yes Okreku edit to dra now say edit to dra say won say enche na otwe we super clash ba so na dodo na ni die chi papa ket yes Okreku so de ninu nsema to dra fa super clash na otwe ba we ba so wa cross sports them has a folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko
is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, fixture or domestic calendar. So, and I think say two teams in here varied and varying stories to tell in the build-up to the game. Already, me who say two teams now started promote to game no a game and a game my satisfaction a game a kind boom. So we'll be looking up to the game. Nyami Adoma Sunday in Crying Sports Stadium. I wish both teams the very best. House of Folk Kotoko. I think almost around the same position with Lake Television. Yes, and
akane form akoma nyensa na Ghana Super Clash club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko bedo no anaso otu ne nan aba Accra na one Haso Folk abepem so a match day 30 Ghana Premier League ya hwe de bepiem na wonum se Haso Folk ene Kotoko omo onwom na nkufo dodo na se we shijama wase hu de beko ya nche beko zoom ne so ne Mohammed Shaban GFA statistician atwene na hwe de ha ebekom ewo game na wotwe wie ntini ya hwe Haso Folk for ashijama mu odin papa supporters no enye fidi agro Mama ma Haso Folk nyom ne kakra. Yes, phobia Haso Folk and no na yenko hwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso jama omode agirem omse na watwe we omode buses makuma ku 200 and efi Kumasi abepie mo wakra yen hwe Kotoko for zo jama kakra. Yes. So see why abo almost your maba come out see Asante Kotoko see maba enye fedi agro cry ntino na what we Ghana's version of the classic oya to the Super Clash Haso Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko na be so match day 30 and ya de bro ntino mu de wo bia no Adom TV ya de ebe bro na sra kese come Franco Trading Enterprise Nokia Samsung iPhone Smart TV stable top fridges Samsung now air condition bibia opebia CCTV cameras ukohon ma obenye bi na bibia akoso mo telephone number no 0246422338 and as 055599